Krishna. Biodata ID 2053. My name is Piyush Kumar Toshniwal. Date of birth is 30th June 1990. Place of birth is Pali Marwar, Rajasthan. Time of birth 4:35 AM. My height is 6'1". My education qualification is Chartered Accountant. Currently, I'm working with PNB MetLife Insurance Company Limited as a senior manager in the internal audit department. My current package is 20 lakhs per annum. My job location is Mumbai. My parents' location is Bangalore. My father's name is N. Satyajit Toshniwal. He's into his own business. My mother's name is Bhagwati Toshniwal. She's a housewife. I have one brother. He is married, and two sisters. Both are married. My mama's surname, maternal uncle's surname is Mundada. Girls' preference would be well-educated and career-oriented. Thank you. Biodata ID 2053. Jai Shri Krishna.
Hi, my name is Ankur Maheshwari. I am September 86 born and I am 5'8" tall. We are 4 siblings and I am the youngest one. I am from Agra and currently living in Mumbai. I am currently a founder of a boutique investment advisory firm that focuses on raising capital for early stage technology startups. We have a small team of 5, and I worked for a few companies in Delhi NCR before starting up my own company, and I have about 10 years of experience into fundraising and investment banking space. I am masters in management and postgraduate in entrepreneurship management from XLRI Jamshedpur. I am a person with high aspiration and I strongly believe in achieving very high in my life, and I am looking for a progressive and grounded life partner who can be a part of my journey and who should have equal value and hunger for family and parents. Thank you so much.
Jai Shri Krishna. Profile ID 2458. My name Varsha Maheshwari. Date of birth 28th August 1987. Place of birth Patna. My current location is also Patna. My height 5 feet 1 inch. Education, my schooling, my graduation and my masters has been done from Patna. I'm a gold medalist in economics. Right now I'm doing PhD in economics from a research institute, A.N. Sinha Institute of Social Studies. It is an ICSSR institute and I am a scholarship holder. My hobbies, I like reading books, I like traveling and exploring places. I sing well. Well, that was all about me. Now about my family. My father name is Mr. Ashok Kumar Chandak. He's a business person. My mother, Mrs. Usha Chandak. She's a homemaker. She had been a president of Maheshwari Mahila Sangathan, Patna. My mama's surname is Toshniwal. He's from Siliguri. I have 2 brothers. Both are elder to me. My eldest one name is Mr. Gaurav Chandak, who is married to Mrs. Shikha Chandak, and another brother is Mr. Rishi Chandak, married to Mrs. Abhilasha Chandak. We are a nuclear family. We are looking for a well-educated boy from first year or second year city will do, and I prefer to work after marriage. Profile ID 2458. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Myself, Shubham Malu. Date of birth 6th June 1995. Place of birth Nizamabad, Telangana. Height 5 feet 10 inches. Education MTech in Civil Engineering from IIT Guwahati. I am currently working as a design engineer with Genstru Consultants Private Limited, Pune. My current location is Pune, Maharashtra. Family location Nizamabad, Telangana. Father's name Ashok Malu. Occupation rice canvassing agent R. Mangilal. Mother's name Shakuntala Malu. Housewife. I have 2 elder brothers. Govinda Malu, married to Monica Malu, daughter of Sri late Harikishanji Jaju. Latur. Occupation business rice canvassing agent R. Mangilal. Dheeraj Malu, married to Priya Malu, daughter of Ashokji Karwa, Selu, Parbani. Occupation business creative eye design, interior designer. Gotra Khalans, mama surname Toshniwal. Family joint family. Preference for girl. Education engineer. Occupation private sector. Thank you.
Hi, my biodata ID is 3580. My name is Ankur Gupta. My date of birth is 23rd January 1992. My place of birth is Kazganj, UP. My height is 5'6". I've done BCom Honors from University of Delhi. Post that, I've done MBA from IBS Mumbai. Currently, I'm working at Nomura as Senior Financial Analyst. My family is based out of Delhi. My father's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta. He's a teacher by profession. My mother's name is Mrs. Madhu Gupta. She's a homemaker. My sister's name is Charu Gupta. She's a software engineer. My gotra is Kabra. My maternal gotra is Bhansali. I'm looking for someone who has a positive outlook towards life and have an interest or a career of her own for which she is passionate about. Thank you. My biodata ID is 3580.
Jai Shri Krishna Namaste. Biodata ID 3015. I am Kratika Tapadia, a chartered accountant by qualification, and I have been working with JP Morgan Mumbai for the last 4 years and currently drawing a salary of around 15 lakhs per annum. My date of birth is 24th Feb 1992 and our gotra is Planch. My hobbies include anchoring, traveling, exploring new cultures, dancing, and in my free time I like cooking as well. Our family is based out of Indore. My father, Mr. Bhanu Prakash Tapadia, is an MBA and has a talent consultancy firm of his own. My mother, Mrs. Meena Tapadia, is a postgraduate in commerce, a homemaker by choice, and the backbone of our own family. My younger brother Aditya Tapadia is an engineer from IIT Bombay and currently working as a private equity analyst in Mumbai. We are looking for a professional qualified guy who is either into self-employment, service or practice. I'm open to settling in any part of the world as long as there is good professional opportunity and an active social life for myself. Most importantly, we are looking for a good human being from a good family background who can be a companion to me as much as I will be to him, and together we both have a happy married life. Thank you. Once again, my biodata ID is 3015.
जय श्री कृष्ण, जय महेश। मेरा नाम संकल्प मोहन कुमार जाजू है। मेरी जन्म तारीख 22 मार्च 1989 है। मेरी हाइट 5 फीट 10 इंच है। मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन MCA हुआ है। वर्तमान में मैं इन्फोसिस में पुणे में जॉब करता हूँ। मेरे लाइफ पार्टनर के लिए मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन रहेंगे शी शुड बी अ वर्किंग गर्ल विद अ गुड फैमिली बैकग्राउंड। थैंक यू।
Jai Shri Krishna. My biodata ID is 2968. My name is Chandan Chandak. My date of birth is 24 June 1984. My place of birth is Katihar, Bihar. My height is 5 foot 4 inch. My education is BTech in computer science and engineering. My current location is Hyderabad. My family location is Katihar, Bihar. My gotra is Chandransh. My mama's surname is Khatod. My hobbies are reading novels, watching movies, web series, and I'm very much interested in Ayurveda. My father's name is Mr. Kamal Kumar Chandak. My mother's name is Mrs. Prabha Devi Chandak. My partner preference is any girl who is doing job in private or government sector, or any girl who is running her own business. Jai Shri Krishna. My biodata ID is 2968.
Jai Shri Krishna. My biodata ID is 3152. My name is Mahima Heda. My date of birth is 8 April 1993. My place of birth is Badod, UP. My height is 5'1". My education is MBA from JIT Jodhpur. Recently I occupied in my family business. My family location is Ajmer. My hobbies are cooking, music and traveling. My father name is Rajkumar Heda. He is businessman and my mother is housewife. My mother name is Sheetal Heda. Mama's surname is Mandhania. My preference for boy is knowledgeable and understanding. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Pritesh Santosh Chandak. Date of birth 1st October 1992. Time of birth 8:40 AM. Place of birth Nashik, Maharashtra. Height is 6 feet. About my education, I have completed MBA in finance from Pune University and currently I am working as a team leader in UPS Logistics with a package of 8 lakhs per annum. Currently, me and my family are located in Pune. My hobbies are traveling, listening music and playing volleyball. My father's name is late Santosh Ji Ram Kisanji Chandak. Mother's name is Maya Santosh Chandak. I have 2 brothers. One is married and lives in Rajasthan. Another is unmarried. We are a nuclear family. Gotra Chandraksha. Mama's surname is Malpani. About my partner preferences, graduation and above in any field is preferred, working is preferred, and ready to locate in Maharashtra, in Pune, Maharashtra is preferred. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. My profile ID is 3533. My name is Yash Girdhar Rathi. I was born in Kolkata on 3rd September 1992. My height is 6 feet 2 inches. My Gotra is Kapilansh. After completion of my Bachelor's of Commerce from Bombay, I joined my family business. We are into textile manufacturing business. My father's name is Girdhar Saligram Rathi. My mother's name is Manju Rathi. She is a homemaker. I have 2 siblings, elder to me, 1 brother and 1 sister. Both are married. My maternal surname is Chandak. Jai Shri Krishna.
Hi, my biodata ID is 2479. My name is Vidhi Bangar. My date of birth is 2nd August 1994. I was born in Ujjain. It's on 23:45 p.m. I'm a chartered accountant working in ICICI Bank as deputy manager. My father's name is Shyam Murari Bangar. He's a High Court advocate. My mother's name is Chandrakala. My hobbies are writing, traveling, and photography. I have 2 elder siblings. Both of them are married and well settled. My mama's surname is Kabra and our Gotra is Chandraj. We live in a nuclear family and my family is looking for a chartered accountant with a simple and educated family. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Pratik Ajmera, son of Girdhar Gopalji Ajmera and Saraswati Ajmera. I was born on 16 January 1990 at Delhi. My height is 5 feet 7 inch. I have completed MBA with Sales and Marketing specialization. I am engaged in family business of marble and granite at Chennai. My parents live in Ilkal, Karnataka. My family's Gotra is Manans. My father is a businessman and mother is a housewife. I have 1 brother and sister. Both are unmarried. My expectation from my partner is well educated and adjusted in joint family. If she want to pursue her career, me and my family will support her. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Biodata ID 1995. My name is Hemant Jaju. DOB 9th August 1991. Birth city Solapur, Maharashtra. Current city Ballari, Karnataka. Education M.Com. Occupation employed in HDFC Bank, Ballari. Hobbies watching cricket and watching movies. Gotra Balans. Mother Sangeeta Jaju, housemaker. Father name late Venugopal Jaju. Younger sister Darshana Jaju, CA final. Younger brother Manmohan Jaju, MBA, employed in private company. Mamaji Brijmohanji Karwa, son of late Shyam Sundarji Karwa, Solapur, Maharashtra. Friends, location Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra, Rajasthan. Education any. Biodata ID 1995.
Jai Shri Krishna. My biodata ID is 2062. My name is Ankita Maheshwari. Date of birth 27 December 1988. Place of birth Bundi, Rajasthan. Height 5'4". Education CA and CS. Occupation working as an assistant manager with Tata Croma Mumbai. Current location Mumbai. Parents location Jaipur. My father's name is C.A. Sunil Kumar Maheshwari. He is working with UB Group in Jaipur. My mother's name is Mamta Maheshwari. She is a housewife. I have 2 younger siblings. My sister's name is C.A. Nidhi Maheshwari. She is working with EY Delhi. My brother's name is Aditya Maheshwari. He is a B.Tech pursuing master's degree. We live in a joint family. Partner preference, he has to be professionally qualified. City preference, a good city. My biodata ID is 2062. Jai Shri Krishna.
હેલો જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. મારું નામ સાગર શ્રીનિવાસ લાવટિયા. मैं बेसिकली उस्मानाबाद से हूँ. મારો જન્મ હિંગોલીમાં હોયો. મારી ડેટ ઓફ બર્થ 20 ઓક્ટોબર 1993. મારી હાઇટ 5 ફૂટ 7 इंच. મારો એજ્યુકેશન 12वीं तक उस्मानाबाद से होयो. बीका बाद में मारी इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग औरंगाबाद से कंप्लीट करो. मारो बटस कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट हुई गयो हो TCS में, तो मैं 3.5 साल TCS में जॉब करो. बीका बाद में कंपनी अभी स्विच कर 1.5 साल हुई श्री लियोन टेक्नोलॉजी में काम करो हो. मारा फैमिली ने 8-2 साल पहले शिफ्ट करो हो तो मारा फैमिली के साथ रहूँ आटा पुणे में मारा फैमिली में पप्पा पहले बिजनेस करता भाभी रिटायर्ड मम्मी हाउस वाइफ मारी एक बहन है जो ब्याह हुई जो औरंगाबाद में है बार आठी का घर दे दिया बेसिकली हमारे यहाँ ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है हमारा पार्टनर को बस थोड़ा सा एजुकेटेड जॉब करवाला मोस्ट वेलकम आणि अंडरस्टँडिंग नेचर बस दैट्स ऑल थैंक यू जय श्री कृष्ण
Jai Shri Krishna. My biodata ID is 164. Name Ashish Boop. Date of birth 18th March 1989. Time of birth 2 a.m. Place of birth Hyderabad. Height 5.5. Education BCom. Occupation accountant at ARV Cement Society, care of Ultratech Cement Limited, Malkhed. My salary is monthly 35,000. Current location Gulbarga, Karnataka. Hobbies watching movie and traveling. Father name Munalal Boop. Mother name Kaushalya Bai. Gotra Musahans. Mama surname Lohiya. Brother 1 unmarried. Sister 1 unmarried. 1 married at Nanded Kabra family. No any preference. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Biodata ID 01. My name is Snigdha Lakotia. My date of birth is 30th October 1990. My height is 5 feet 3 inches. I have done my high schooling and completed my graduation and post-graduation in commerce from Jaipur. I have also completed second group of CA final. Currently, I am working with Modern School Jaipur as an educator. My current location is Jaipur and my family is also located in Jaipur. I like reading books. My father's name is Shri Bijayaraj Lakotia and he is a broker of grey cloth in Bhiwandi. My mother's name is Srimati Shashi Devi Ji Lakotia. She is working as a Prachar and Sangathan Mantri with Maheshwari Mahila Parishad, Jaipur. My Gotra is from France. My mama's surname is Karwa. I have one brother and his name is Neeraj. He is married in Jaipur Toshniwal family. My bhabhi's name is Pooja Lakotia. We live in a nuclear family. We are looking for a well-educated boy. Any 1-tier or 2-tier city would be preferable. I would prefer working after marriage. Biodata ID 01. Jai Shri Krishna.